Have you ever used the power of Cajun Power? Hey there, spice lovers. Ever heard of the magic behind real Louisiana flavor? Let me introduce you to Cajun Power, the legends of the Bayou kitchen. Cajun Power ain't just about heat. It's about the layers, the depth, the heritage in every bite. This stuff is the secret weapon of Louisiana kitchens, and it's about to level up yours too. We're talking original recipe garlic sauce, fiery hot sauces, even marinades that'll make your backyard BBQ the talk of the town. Trust me, this ain't your average grocery store spice rack. They offer a wide variety of products like Cajun spaghetti, chicken gumbo, smothered chicken and gravy, chili and its own versions of the Sloppy Joe, the Sloppy Boudreaux, as well as many more. Which one is your favorite? So if you're ready to unleash the flavor beast, you gotta grab some Cajun Power. And hey, tell us in the comments, what's your Cajun Power creation? Have you worked this magic before? Don't forget to like this video, follow us here at Legends of Louisiana, and smash that subscribe button on our YouTube channel for more flavor adventures. Cajun Power and Legends of Louisiana. Let's get cooking.